Hi once again. If you watched my previous video which was about FPV, then you know how I crashed my drone, which I mentioned that I'll be making a separate video about it. If you knew, then yesterday, which was the 24th of March, as the videos will be uploaded later on, while I was making a video testing out the FPV, not even with Goggles, I got too confident trying to take some good footage and I ended up crashing my drone at the end. Let me play a small clip of the incident. Today, 25th of March, we are checking the aftermath of my crash, as I haven't checked or tried to see if my drone still operates, as I saw only broken propellers and I was afraid to find out the damage yesterday. Let's first check the damage from outside the drone before I start seeing if it works. The moment of truth to find out how badly the drone is damaged. But before I do that, I need to sing you a song. I'm joking, but I'm looking like a musician with this. It's the mobile filming the drone, which I will be showing you later on. So, like my other videos, I'm sharing my drone experience with the DJI Mini 2. That's why I'm making this video, to share you my incident and if I was able to fix it. Also, no matter how badly the drone is damaged, you must stay positive, and if you had similar experience, just keep your head up. It's always replaceable and our mood won't fix it. So let's get into the drone and see how badly we damaged the drone. So firstly, we'll have a look with visible damages and if the gimbal and the motors are damaged, which I hope is not, and depending on the damage I will try to fix the problems in this video. And I'm not expert, but I will give it a try. So first we'll check the propellers. Oh, this one, it's been cut, so that one definitely needs replaced. The other ones look okay. There are got scratches, but it's not a big deal. Here, the plastic is where it crashed. We got another crack there, scratches. So let's check the legs now. The leg seems fine. That's a good sign. Yeah, all of the 4 legs are looking okay. What about the drone under and camera? The gimbal moves okay. I think it touches somewhere, but I'm not sure where. In front of the camera, it's fine. And yeah, for our first look, I'm happy with it. So now that we examined the outside damages, we'll go into deeper look regarding the drone to check through the app for any error messages and if the drone can actually start. So let me put the phone into the controller, connect it, and I will see you in a few seconds. Okay, it starts. Don't think this is normal. It does that when you fly. Now we got the error here, says preparing to take off, and we don't even got a GPS also. And the other thing I noticed is it's not even. This looks higher, and I thought the legs was fine. So here you got all of the errors: gimbal, IMU, GPS. Let's try to calibrate something. We will start with IMU. IMU seems it works. Let's try to compass calibration. Well, it doesn't let me to do compass calibration. We'll do gimbal calibration, which is the important one. Gimbal auto. What's this? So I think we got bigger issue than expected. The gimbal doesn't even calibrate, it just went down. Still the GPS signal doesn't work, so we got a GPS problem, a gimbal problem, and I don't think you need anything more problems. I cannot even start the drone. It says prepare to take off. Let's try to take off and see. Nope. The motors, in my eye, they seem okay. The gimbal also seems okay. I don't understand why there is a problem. The only thing now left to do is take it apart and try to fix it, because it seems nothing works or calibrates. So my first attempt, I will try to remove the top cover and check to see if I'm able to identify any damages. Okay, so we got all 4 screws out. Let's see if we are able to get the top now. I don't want to put pressure because I'm sure I will break it, but then it's already broken. I've been struggling for 10 minutes now. It's not easy to get it out. Okay, that's a good start. Don't want to pull it because most likely we break. It's really thin. So okay, we got it open. So let's have a look. Not that I know what I'm seeing anyway, but at least if I see something that is broken, I will know. So here we got the gimbal, and it seems fine. I have no idea what I'm looking now. Cables looking okay. Everything is looking fine. Let's try to get it started. Now that I power it on, still I cannot do gimbal or compass calibration, still the same things. But this wire there, here, this one, it seems off. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like this, because that's where the heat was. So I will do some research and I will get back to you. So guys, I've been searching for hours now. The time, it's almost 10, and I've been here for 8 hours trying to find the solution. But I can't find anything. The drone seems okay, all wires seems in place. The only wire that has some issue, I think, is this one. And yeah, I can't calibrate my compass, I can't calibrate my gimbal, and I can't even start up the drone. So there is no point for me changing the propellers, as nothing works. Sorry guys if you was expecting me to fix it. I wasn't expecting even to find these problems, but it is what it is. An update from the next day. So I'm sending my drone to DJI, and by the time this video will be uploaded, most likely I will already receive it. So I will be making another video regarding the procedure, how to send your DJI if it's broken, the cost, if I receive it okay, any issues. I will be testing it also after they send it back to me. So stay tuned, and until next time, stay positive, and we'll catch up on the next one.